Hello. Um, Hi. So today I'm going to show you how to integrate the social plugin with the offline mall plugin, right? So what I'm going to do here is you can see that the mall plugin and the social plugin already installed. So first, let me go to social settings and turn this on. I've already added the keys for Facebook, which is where I'll show the demo, but you can use this documentation which I've given to enable the keys for Google or whatever. So the top hint will tell you how to do it. The same is for Facebook. I'm not going to open the tab because my key is already there. So I've put icon settings and done it because we're going to show icons. As you can see right now, I'm using the default mall plugins uh, thing. Okay, I've actually added Facebook here. Wait, let me just edit that out because I already tried this once. Okay, so anyway, um, so this is the default mall plugin setting, right? So it shows sign in button and all this jazz, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll show you. This is the login page where it has a sign up component, and if I remove the component, whoops, yeah, it disappears. All right, now here's the thing. In October, I can actually command I can hold command and double click in it to open and show me what the component does. And it basically says partial component name tilde key sign in. So basically it calls that component. Low control Z, and here's what we're gonna do. The component is named by us, so I'm just gonna copy the name and I'm going to partials, and then I'm going to type this name, and then if you remember, it was sign in.html, right? So I'm just changing the component name like that, and now you can see that the login page is not there because we've just changed that component alone. um, so if I just put test, it should appear as test, right? So but here's the thing, we need to basically like get that component. So what I'm going to do is mall plugin is by offline, right? So offline mall, and in components, my account, no, not my account, the sign in, right? Sign in. So this is the code which they have. I'm going to copy it and paste it, and it shows the exact code as before. Nothing's changed, as in like it will work as it's supposed to work. But we need to add a Facebook icon, which is where this comes in. I'm basically going to drag in the component. um, I click social, drag in the Facebook button, and save it. And when I refresh, it shows it. Okay, there's a styling issue. Let me just, so I'll make a small adjustment. You can use the proper way to do it, which is CSS. And let me just put large. Okay, so yeah, now it looks a bit better. Anyway, right now there are no users in the system, right? So when I click Facebook, it should log in normally. So let me just click on it. It says handler not found. So the reason this is because even though we've added it to the partial, the underlying code for it doesn't execute. It doesn't really have the handler. So I need to go to the pages thing and just click on the component so that it's included, and the underlying code loads. Now if I go and refresh it and log in, it should work fine. And it logs in, except there is a order by customer issue. So what the reason for this is because this plugin, mall plugin, basically overrides the auth manager of OctoberCMS rather than extending it, and that's kind of problematic. Um, so let me just show you what can be done. Um, so there is this code which I've added here, right? I'll share the link with you and copy it, and basically what you do is go to the layouts, go press the code tab and paste it. That's it. And let me just go back, refresh, log out. Okay, awesome. Now I press account, and if I press login, this time it will work completely. So basically I'm calling the code which was missing, this it to create the customer. and this code is the extra stuff which they have added, and this is not the right way to add it. If you just search for this code, let me see. So they have a sign-in handler which has been created, which they shouldn't be doing it this way at all. They shouldn't be overriding the auth manager. The right way is to use what let me tap spunk. Samuel here is extending the user plugin, right? So this is the right way to do it. Uh, but anyway, October itself kind of does it the wrong way, in the sense that they overrided the auth manager of Laravel, which itself is not really good. But yeah, so either you can tell them to fix it or use this small hack to make it work, which it will work fine, completely not an issue. And that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and use it. So I didn't exactly copy paste the code, I just made some changes, uh, like I've added this and all. I mean, if you're copying it from my GitHub, just then it's completely fine. So that's it. So let me know how it goes. All right, bye.